The depth is so deep now, it's not possible for anyone to understand. And what's actually the part that really drives me up the wall is the fact that they introduce so much additional risk that for the average user, they actually don't understand. You're actually going in there, interacting with the system, making assumptions about how safe your assets are, about what you actually own, about a lot of things that aren't true, and 100% in the opposite way. For example, if you put your money in the bank, the moment it leaves your hands and goes into the bank's hands, it's the bank's money. It's not your money, right? Like if they close out, you're not getting it back. But if you go ask most Americans or anyone, they don't know that, and that's a layer of quote unquote abstraction to simplify your experience. But in reality, they took your money.
Well, what about FDIC then? Is that just like does that not mean anything?
The FDIC,
Yeah.
they are ensuring that you get $250,000 back.
A quarter million
Okay.
dollars anymore is I mean, it was a lot of money 50 years ago. Or actually, when did we have the run on the bank? When did the FDIC go into effect?
But that is only if the bank fails. What happens if the bank just closes your account? Well, then you're not covered by FDIC in those situations. They
Wait a
send you a
minute.
letter, 30 days to take out your money. You don't take it out, it's theirs.
Oh my gosh, but you do get it back. They'll send you a letter though. It's not like they can just keep it, right?
That part that they do send you a letter for notification, but then after that it gets into the legal gray area, right? Like so that's the part I'm not as sure about, but I do know when it comes to ownership rights, the bank has it first over your money.
Oh my gosh. If you're okay with this, I'm going to take this in even if you're not okay with it, I'm going to take it in another direction anyways. And then let's talk about ownership because you just brought up a point that I just thought about is that so many people, they actually own something, but like, what do you really own or what is ownership? What does that really mean?
Wow, in today's society, I have no idea. I can tell you, I know for a fact that I don't own my home. I'll pay off the entire mortgage, but the moment I start missing property tax,
Yeah, right.
the government's going to come and take it. So is that really ownership?
Yeah.